I beg you, please, just please answer my prayer. Just please make that farm work something to come true, God. But this is a me really need you. This is a me really need you, God. Because right now, me so hungry and sick out and nobody feel me, God. Please, me I beg you, just make this come true for me, God. Just make this work for me, God. And you me put my trust in her, God. And I know say you go come true for me. Father God, me I pray for my sister too, you know. Me I pray for my sister too, because me not like the way him a go on with Fame man. Or Fame man a deal with him, God. Me I pray for change him from him foolish ways, God. Make him have little sense, God. I don't know if in-laws some screw or something, God. But in fact, God, I don't want to go too deep into that still, you know. But I want to just show me a sign, God. Show me who care about me, God, and who rate me. You see what I say? Show me a sign, God. I know you're going to answer my prayer, God. You me believe in her, you me trust in her.